That's insane. It's non-stop, huh? All around.
I think it's moving that way, so it's going to miss the house. Like, it's not going to be right over top of us.
No, it's coming this way.
No, I think it's going that way, because remember it was all the way, it was over that way before? A little bit more south. Now it's like moving north. It's like moving northeast. Turn off this light, Dustin. No! No! For what? Hold on, we're recording the lightning.
See the clouds moving? The cloud's not too high. You have time limit on that or what?
No. Dustin, say the city and date and day.
It's 71009, Denver, Aurora, Colorado.
And
Approximately.
And what day is it?
9:06.
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
And he's got a big storm for himself.
Yeah. It's God singing happy birthday, blowing out candles.
Or God mad that you were born.
Yeah, one of the two. I wish I was like Bruce Almighty.
Woo.
Just have your mind just.
These are getting close. We might have to go in.
Have like a meteor just strike.
I hear rain starting to fall too.
United States. Now we're gonna have to blow out some lightning.